The Galaxy A6 2018 got leaked so much that it even appeared in a Vietnamese music video. What's up everyone and welcome back. I know it has been a while, please don't get angry. I had some other things to sort out. Still working on ways to improve the video production speed so that I can upload more. By the way, do you guys think I should buy a new microphone to improve the audio quality? Right now I'm using the microphone of my phone, so if you think the audio quality needs improvement, please let me know. But for now, let's jump into our news for today, which is about some new mid-rangers from Samsung. The Galaxy A6 and A6 Plus. Well, they are like the J series of 2018. We have this metallic body that now hosts the tall 18.5 by 9 Super AMOLED screen, also known as the Infinity Display, but with a thicker top and chin and without the curved edges. We have some renders here, so basically the design is very similar to that of the A8 2018, but instead of glass you get metal. But there is something new here that you won't find on a Galaxy A8 Plus. The Galaxy A6 Plus has a dual rear camera, which is strange when you think that even the normal Galaxy S9 doesn't have this feature. But it has the dual aperture lens, which acts like two cameras depending on the lighting conditions. So here are some more leaked images, and I think at this stage the design is pretty much confirmed. I will leave you the specs down in the description below, but we still have one more thing. The phone actually appeared in a Vietnamese music video, and it looks really nice. I like it. So yeah, that's it for today. I would really appreciate it if you guys shared my videos to help our channel grow faster and faster. So thanks a ton for watching if you've made it till here, and I'll see you next time.